Here I've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here go to the system, it's the very last tab, and now click on languages and input methods. Then pick languages, so it's the very first tab, and to add another language, click on add a language. Then from the following list select the one that you would like to have your device in. So let me pick, for example, Filipino. And now just swipe it up to the first place, so hold it for a while and grab it here. Give your device a sec to upload the changes, and as you can see, now your device is in Filipino. Then if you would like to go back to the default language, just open the language one more time. First tab, and now you can permanently remove this language by tapping on the more icon, which is 3 dots one here. Then select this option, click on the language that you would like to remove and tap on the bin icon. Confirm that you would like to delete it by tapping on OK. And that's it. Now as you can see, we are back in English. So everything is in English right now. So that would be all. This is how you can easily and quickly change language in your Nokia 5.1. You can do it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.